Welcome to Cross Creek Animal Medical Center, where your pet's heart health is our priority. Has your dog been acting a bit off lately? If they've started tiring quickly on walks or coughing after rest, it might be time for a professional checkup. Routine wellness visits do more than just update vaccines. They're crucial for detecting heart murmurs early on. During these checkups, our veterinarians listen closely for any changes that you may not notice at home. Catching these signs early can make all the difference. Heart murmurs in dogs are not uncommon, and they can indicate underlying issues that need attention. Here are some signs to watch out for. Persistent coughing, especially at night, exercise intolerance where your dog tires easily, and labored breathing at rest. Don't forget the risk of heartworm disease, especially if you're in an area like Tampa. Early detection and consistent checkups ensure your dog's heart stays healthy and strong. If you've noticed any of these symptoms, contact us today. Early evaluation can lead to treatment that prolongs your dog's quality of life. Schedule a heart health exam now. We're here to help. Call us today or visit our website.